Divi 5 continues to evolve into something bigger than just a page builder. It's quickly becoming a complete site-building workspace. One of the newest additions that pushes it in that direction is the Page Manager. Now at first glance, it might seem like a small feature, but once you start using it, you will notice how much smoother your workflow becomes. Instead of constantly leaving Visual Builder and jumping into WordPress dashboard and navigating back again, the Page Manager allows you to move between pages, create one, and manage existing one, all without leaving the Visual Builder. And in this video, we will explore how Page Manager works, why it improves the editing experience, and how it fits the Divi 5's broader workflow tools. So let's get started. Now, if you want to learn more about Page Manager and deep dive into this topic, then we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you are done with this video, I would highly recommend you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it really helpful. So what exactly is Divi 5 Page Manager? Now, Divi 5 is designed to be more just than a tool you open to tweak your layout and then leave. It aims to become complete working environment for building websites. The Page Manager is a perfect example of that philosophy. So once we are inside the Divi 5 Visual Builder, here on the left hand side panel, you will find a new icon. It says Page Manager. If you click on this, it's going to open up this interface where you can first see an option to search the page. So if you know the page name, you can click on here and start typing. You will see the result here with the page name, or you can click on this and it's going to open all the pages which you can edit using Divi 5. The list stays focused only on the pages that are actually be edited with Divi, and this actually keeps the panel clean and relevant. So here are the page name, and on the right hand side you can see there are three options. We have edit page, we can also duplicate page, and we can delete the page right from here. And if we close this option, at the very bottom, we have an option. It says add new page. So we can click here and then enter the page name. And of course, we can also change the post type. So if in case you want to edit a post, you can choose from here. Along with that, you can also create a new custom post type. So make sure the custom post types are already defined. So you can create the new custom post type and edit that using Divi 5 Visual Builder. And you don't have to leave this interface, go back to the WordPress backend and come back again. All can be done right inside your Divi Visual Builder. And once you click on add page, so here we have the latest page that we have created. And if we click on edit, it's going to open up the page and we are already inside the Divi 5 Visual Builder. And from here, we can come back to Page Manager and go back to whichever page we want to edit. And for anyone managing large website with many pages, this removes the constant need to return in the WordPress dashboard, which can sometimes be slower or cluttered on client sites. Instead, you focus on the work that actually matters. So for anyone building multi-page websites, the Page Manager keeps more of the work inside the single interface. There is less loading, less context switching, and less time bouncing between the builder and the WordPress admin screen. Page Manager may not be the most fancy feature in Divi 5, but it significantly improves the everyday experience of working across a site, which means everything you need to design, manage, navigate your website is now available directly inside your Divi 5 Visual Builder. And if you like this video, then make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends and community. And for more such videos and Divi updates, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.